Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to pay on Revolut on your phone, of course. So open up Revolut, use your PIN to sign up, of course, and then go right here at the top right corner to this card icon and click on virtual card, ready to use. You can also use this card at the left. This is a single use, so if you are paying only single time, just use this one, it is safer. Just click on virtual and click add to GPay. If you want to pay on your phone, you have to do this. And this will basically add it to your wallet. So click on add to wallet and click on continue. And it will check the card. You have to click accept right here. It will process it and add it if possible. So click on not now right here. Click on got it. And your card is right here. So you can click on view in wallet. And this is the crucial part. If you don't have a wallet, first thing you will have to do is to go over to Play Store and click on search and type in wallet. And just download this Google Wallet app, as you can see. Then you can go back and do all of this. And here you should have it in your wallet. And when you turn on the NFC, you can simply pay it like with a normal card. So this is how really simple it is to pay in Revolut. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.